Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Tree, and today is 8th of October. And let me confirm to you what is happening in the market and what could happen in the coming days, and what has happened yesterday. So, if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe the channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. Yesterday, US market has again moved on a higher note. So the main channel place where actually we were looking at the breakdown, it has actually taken a support at that level. So it has taken the support and started actually trying to move higher. So now what I can actually see is probably we are in a beginning of a new bull market which is actually getting started. In fact, what happened in the Indian market also, continuously we have been moving higher and higher and higher. This only proves the strength of the market is so very resilient, and it has been breaking all kinds of resistances. We are at the same level at which the sell off had come, and market seems to be not tired, and it seems to be quite strong. So looking at this scenario, what I can actually look forward is probably market is not going to stop at this. Market is going to continue, and it may actually probably make all-time new highs before we see any sizable correction to happen. So market may still be volatile because there are quite a lot of resistances which are there, and we are nearby to this all-time highs. So there could be all kinds of volatility which could exist, and the US presidential election is also there, so that can also build on to this whole new volatility. But looking at the way the strength of the market, where they have been making all the gaps, this can only provide more strength to the market. And sudden fall, whatever was a big worry and big concern, probably is eliminated with the kind of moves which has happened. For past 2 days we have closed above 11,600, which confirms them this time this is not a false breakout, and this time we are actually closing above the resistance, which actually shows strength in the market. And right now, until unless we are above 11,300, we are in a strong bull market. And even the bank nifty has moved from the bear market to the bull market. It is coming towards the bull market, which is a great new thing which is happening. So that means as of now, which was taking a back seat, banks were taking a back seat till now. Probably after this interest waiver on waiver, the interest on interest things and all getting clear. So what I can see is market which was uncertain about a lot of things is getting into something which is more of certainty. And because market is getting certain and things are getting back to normal, uh, probably now market is expecting most of the things are coming back to the pre-COVID levels. Though the COVID is still not over, everything is coming back to the pre-COVID levels, and probably from here it may start moving on the higher side. So overall, actually, there is a big what do you say, liquidity in the market, which is driving the market. So looking at all this scenario, I don't see market going down. Probably market is going to be much more stable, and it can get much more strengthened. Looking at this, the flash crash or the correction which we were expecting probably may not happen, looking the way actually the market has been trying to move forward. And since the the main worry was about the US market, because if US market cannot support, it's very difficult for the Indian market to move on its own. So that main worry is probably looking to get over, and probably now whatever correction we were expecting, that looks to be over, and supports are actually looking that the supports are getting taken. So in this case probably market may still move further higher and higher, so it's better for us to stay long. So from here onwards I think we could take the buying with more confidence compared to what we had. So I think market is not going to stop at here. Market is going to continue from here, and probably we will move uh, much more higher before we see any big sizable correction. And sizable correction may not really happen. If you have been seeing, all these are shallow corrections. The highest correction which we have been seeing is around hardly 5%, 10% kind of a correction. That probably can continue to happen in the market, and market can probably keep on moving higher like this. And this 5-10% whatever correction we are seeing, there's only an opportunity again to buy, and this can actually continue, because as I said, this could be the new bull market, and the new bull market looks like it has started just now. Okay, thank you guys, have a great and profitable day. The range we see today is a option expiry day, and looking at that, probably the 11,800 was the highest open interest, and if that is going to get broken, probably we can and the short covering comes, we can probably see a little more higher side. Otherwise probably market may still be in a range for today. And if anything happens, probably I don't see the index moving quite faster like it has moved a lot in these days. Market may actually try to come into a range, but overall market seems to at this point of time become more resilient, because it is breaking all kinds of resistances, are trying to move higher and higher and higher. So it's better to stay long at this point of time. Though I was also little bearish on the market, seems that that whole concern and worry whatever was there looks to be going off, because that's how the market behavior has been. And looking at the market behavior, I don't expect anything happen until unless we go below 11,300 in Indian market scenario, and in the US market scenario S&P 3300 or 11,000 on the Nasdaq. So those are the levels which we will be closely watching. As long as we can hold on to those levels, probably we will be only moving higher, and we may continue to make new highs before any big sizable correction will come. So let's see, right now 12,000, 12,100 is one last gap which is there, which has to get filled. Once that is done, the next major hurdle is our all-time highs. So I think we will be moving towards that. So thank you.